little artists? Do you love ice creams? Yum, yum! Today, we are going to draw super cute ice creams together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a rectangle shape. Great! Now draw a small handle below it. Now let's decorate it. Draw some star shapes on the ice cream. Wow, looking fun already! Now, let's draw a heart shape. Nice and big. Now, add a small handle below the heart. Now, draw another rectangle shape. Add a small handle below. Now, draw a wavy line on top to make it look yummy and creamy. Nice job, everyone. Our ice cream drawings are complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Take out your color pens. Let's color together. Cream color. Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Awesome job! Your ice creams look so yummy! Great work, little artists! Keep drawing and have lots of fun. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.